welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how I edit my thumbnails. So basically thumbnails are the things which should be very much attractive. Video उतना अच्छा नहीं होना चाहिए लेकिन thumbnail उतना अच्छा होना चाहिए क्योंकि thumbnail से ही views आते हैं. thumbnail अच्छा है, लोगों ने देखा, click on that. Something like this is thumbnail का process. So today I thought why not to make a video on how I edit my thumbnails. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैंने वीडियो कभी बनाई है कि नहीं बनाई है, बट या अगर फर्स्ट टाइम है तो या फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम I'm gonna do this. एंड मैं भी अपने थंबनेल्स को बहुत इम्प्रूव करती हूँ. आई नो मेरे दी बेस्ट थंबनेल्स तो नहीं होते, बट या आई एम ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव फ्रॉम बिग यूट्यूबर्स से लेके जैसे मैं कंटेंट बनाती हूँ उन यूट्यूबर्स को मैं बहुत देखती हूँ ऑब्वियसली, ताकि मैं इंक्रीज करूँ अपनी ग्रोथ को. बट या प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब गाइज.
So guys, from now here you need to click on the plus button and just go to the photos. Now just select on the background button, go to the color grid where you can make your own colors, something like which color you like the most, but I will prefer you to use light colors because the thumbnail you are making, the people should focus on your thumbnail, not the background color. Now just go to the tool option, search crop, and when you will crop, the find option will be there, 6:9. You can just do because whenever you are doing editing or something for YouTube, you need to be measured about it. Now you need to add about your photos, which you need to add for your thumbnails. Click it previously only in such a good background. After that, go to the cutout option, go to the select person one. Now need to fill some of the details in it. Then I will fill it properly, the hairs, and you need to always see it or preview it before doing और डन ऑप्शन पे अगर आप क्लिक कर देते हो तो उसके बाद वो मतलब ख़राब हो जाता है, आपको स्टार्टिंग से करना पड़ता है सब कुछ. या समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, सो आई एम डन, ऑलमोस्ट डन. या नाउ आई विल सेव इट, पुट द बॉर्डर ऑन इट, इट विल गो मोर अट्रैक्टिव, एंड प्लेस द पिक्चर वेयर यू विल वांट इट. Select the second picture. Now in the second picture, do the same, cutout option पे जाइए and just select on the person one and do it cutout and fill the details. So guys, here I have cut it out. Now just go to the borders option and border this picture as well. Place it wherever you want it, like I have placed it in the between. Now go to the sticker option and search for your thing like PicsArt. This is the editing for PicsArt only, so now I'm gonna edit or add PicsArt only in this one. Select any of them which you like. I would prefer you to use the free one only because it's better enough. Now guys, you can add your previous thumbnails so that this thumbnail would look like more attractive, or for you, if you are editing some other video thumbnails, then you can do accordingly. Now go to the sticker option and add some more stickers so that it will look more attractive. I would recommend you not to buy any subscription of PicsArt because the free ones are only good enough in itself. Even I don't use any subscription for it. Now you can add one more logo which is of YouTube because this thumbnail is for the YouTube only. So I will add one YouTube logo as well. You can add some of the cute logos as well if you like. But I will recommend you to use the stickers which look very attractive in your thumbnail so that people may attract it. Now somehow if you need to add some of the text, now search the tape and add any of them. They look so pretty in itself. Just place it at the right place and now add some of the text to it. You can even search some of the text in this, but I need to write the one, so I will write thumbnail for this one. And the fonts are actually good enough for this. You don't need to buy even the fonts as well. You can select the font you like I have selected this one. Just make it you can add stroke, color, gradient, texture to it, and even blend it, or you can even add the shadow to it, something like this. If you don't need it, you can even don't even do this. Adjust all the stickers now and add some of more. I'm adding one of the question mark one, which is my favorite. Now guys, Pixart gave limited items, so now you need to even download the pic. Again open Pixart and go to the edit photo and select the downloaded pic. Ads, I hate ads, literally. Okay, now I have selected it. You can even add more stickers to it. If you find it cool, then don't need it, but I feel it literally little bit more not sufficient for the logo. I'm searching for some like button, like that thumb hand when you say all the best or something like that hand I'm searching for. So now when you add it, just save the pic to your gallery. It will show there. Save it from the top only, not click on the right button, because it will take little bit time. Now as you guys can see, it is there in my Pixart folder. I will delete my previous one, and this is how my thumbnail looks like. Thank you.
So hey guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment me down that what next video you wanted, and अगर आपके लिए helpful है so सब कुछ कर दो भाई, share, सबसे पहले subscribe, then after that another things, okay? So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Subscribe and comment me below. Okay. Wow. Wait, yeah. Hey guys, this is my blooper. Blooper dekh rahe ho aap?